Alright then guys, welcome back to another vlog, welcome to Mexico City and welcome to F1 Grand Prix Day. Now today is the day that Lewis Hamilton, the British driver, can secure the World Championships. Now Daniel Ricciardo is on pole, we're going to be heading to the track very shortly, Verstappen is second and Lewis Hamilton is in third on the grid. Got a white shirt on, I don't wear shirts, I'm going to keep my Heineken hat on my head today as well.
Nice. No chance.
It says 1-0 on my phone but it's now 2-0. I'm in a very good mood right now. Not only are we in Mexico City to go to the F1, Chelsea are 3-0 up at Burnley as well. So I knew that we had a very lucky thing with being in the paddock. However, I did not know that the place that we're going to be sat for the race is right above where Hamilton is going to be pitting in the pit lane today. We are right opposite the Mercedes garage. There's currently a Formula... You get more of a sense of the scale of what goes on to actually host an event like this. Apparently over 350,000 people will have shown up over all the practice days, the qualifying days, and obviously the main one today on race day. It's very difficult to sum up in words like the sheer size and scale of this whole venue, this whole event. Well, I had absolutely no idea I was going to be having a casual little chat in front of the decks with Armin Van Buuren. Armin, it is amazing to meet you.
Pleasure.
I've seen you perform Tomorrowland for the last 2 years, and now I'm here in front of this at the F1 in Mexico City. What is it like for you to be here?
Well, I'm a Formula One fan first and foremost. It's one of the most important races of the year. We might see that Lewis Hamilton is world champion here today.
Yeah, maybe.
I'm super excited that Max is number 2. Obviously, I'm the biggest Max Verstappen fan because he's from Holland. And apart from that, to answer your question, the most fans in the world, for me, strangely enough, are not from US or Holland, or it's Mexico.
Incredible.
So if you look on my Facebook or my Instagram, you see the most following is from this country.
Okay.
Actually, I was here 2 weeks ago playing the Ultra Music Festival, which was phenomenal. And now I'm here 2 weeks later, getting another opportunity to play for a sold-out venue, 55,000 fans.
Amazing.
So yeah, it doesn't really get better than that, to be honest. Mexican crowd is the biggest for me in the world. It's the biggest rush you'll ever get.
Such happy, crazy people too.
Yeah. And my music, there's some special connection between the kind of music that I play, trance music, and the Mexican crowd. I don't know why that is.
Yeah.
I don't have a particular reason for it. But I think a lot of DJs will tell you the same story, that there is something passionate about the Mexican crowd. They jump up and down, they're in the mood for it, they're always dancing no matter what the weather or the atmosphere.
Yeah.
And it's great as a DJ to be performing for that kind of people, because they make the party. You know, I can't stress enough that I can play the biggest tunes, the best mix or whatever, come with the best visuals and fireworks. End of the day, the people make the party, you know, and not me. You know, I'm trying to give my best. I always do my best, but if you get a response like in Mexico, you don't want to miss that.
Of course. And you mentioned the weather. I did see it might rain. How does that affect you when you're on stage? You care?
I don't care.
Best way to be.
Honestly, if it doesn't downpour, because that will damage the equipment,
Yep.
a little drizzle we can have. I guess I have to have a little bit of luck. Weather prediction is, I don't know. Yesterday they said it might rain and it didn't.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll be lucky again today. We'll see.
I hope so. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Cheers, man.
It's a pleasure to meet you and enjoy the race.
Enjoy the race.
Yes, guys. I also didn't know the food was going to be as lovely as a nice little prawn. Alright, so we've had a little bit of food. It's 11:20, so we're still a couple of hours away from the race. We're going to take a little walk in the pits now. Alex, if I gave you the option to give up being a YouTube superstar to be a Formula One driver, would you take it?
Oh, that's a good one, man. They have it pretty good, but it's also very dangerous. So
It is.
I think I'm safer in my bedroom doing videos, to be honest with you.
Alright, we're getting close to the race time now, so we're being thrown out, understandably so, in the way from some serious professional ongoings here. 15 laps in. What an exhilarating start to the race. We just saw Hamilton come in there to the pits. Unbelievable, honestly, the smell of that burning rubber is something else. We've got these little orange things, which means we can go backwards and forwards between the areas to get different viewpoints of the race. And I think the concert's going to be where we're walking to now afterwards. Everyone else has to queue, so I feel very, very lucky. I can't see a screen, I can only see like, I don't know, 7% of the track. But Verstappen's still in the lead and Hamilton is currently still winning the championship because he's in 4th. Other than that, I can only see what is in front of me and I don't know what's going on. I've got a live feed going on Google. We are right next to the podium. There's Lewis. Woo! World champion, yeah! Hola Max! So many people. Look at it. It doesn't stop. Thank you. Toby, tell me one thought you have about what you've just experienced.
I'm a reflector.
I'm a reflector. I'm a reflector.
I'm a reflector.
Yeah.
I'm a reflector.
I think I might as well turn this off for a while. This has been one of the best long weekends I think I've ever had. Mexico City has been incredible. It's ruined my voice because we went out partying last night at a club called Lulu. We stayed out very late and my voice is gone. The whole F1 experience was absolutely mind-blowing. I don't think after you've watched this video now, you need me to explain that anymore. Such a great experience. Thank you so much to Heineken for having me. Thank you for inviting me. The Paddock Club experience was far better hospitality than I could ever imagine. And I want to go to more F1 races now because it is such an enjoyable event. But yeah, congratulations to Lewis Hamilton, world champion. Congratulations to Max Verstappen for winning the race yesterday. And Armin Van Buuren, what a legend. He was awesome to talk to and his performance was incredible as well. But anyway, if you enjoyed this vlog, be sure to give it a like. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm excited for the next travel. The next travel is going to be going to Belarus with Chelsea. I'm going to be daily vlogging that with my good friend Life of Jord. That is what we've got to look forward to next. I'm going to go back to London. See you later. Bye.